Thank you for tuning in to the Forest Production Powerlifting channel. My name is Lawrence Malchev, and in this video today I'm going to show you how my Omad one meal a day, for those of you who don't know what Omad stands for, I'm going to show you what my 1 meal a day meal does to my weight before and after. And a little reason why I'm doing this video also is because I want you to understand that now the purpose for my training is to get leaner as I get stronger. And what will affect my protocols as far as my diet? My strength. If my strength starts to go down, then we adjust the calories, and more than likely we're going to adjust the carbs. So if you are on the snake diet and you are forbidden carbs, this video is not for you, go away. Or save it, watch it, torture yourself, because I've got lots of stuff here that you shouldn't be looking at. Okay? All right. We have my beef and my turkey, but mostly this is beef. This is 9 ounces of top round that has been stewed and shredded, with 3 ounces of dark meat turkey that has also been stewed and shredded. We have 300 grams of sweet potato with 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, raw unprocessed type. Then we also have 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. I have 4 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of garlic butter, and in the freezer I have, chilling out, my carrot, celery, coconut, and magnesium water, which provides me 200 and I believe, let me see, what is it? Provides me 215. No, each liter provides me 107.5 grams of carbs, and the calories, no, that's 107.5 calories, and the carbs per liter is 25 grams of carbs. So again, this is not for people who are plummeting in weight. This is not for the people who are doing the snake diet by the letter, who have lots and lots of fat to lose. I've chosen to be 251 pounds and keep my weight here, and now lose it gradually, let my body composition gradually come down according to my eating protocols, with the help from Cole Robinson, and mostly now from coach from my powerlifting coach. So I should have mentioned him first, John Allen Reese. So sorry about that, Coach. You are basically my nutritionist now. And this is the 1 meal that I plan on eating all the way up into my meat. Maybe I might vary it every once in a while with some salmon, maybe some hamburger, but right now this is dialed in so well, I think this is where I'm gonna stay. Oh, and I forgot that also I have 2 cups of mixed berries, and that's all part of the eating protocols as well. So without any further delay, let me show you what I weigh before I eat, and then I will show you what I weigh after I eat. And if you have any questions about doing 1 meal a day, I'll be glad to answer them to the best of my ability, because I'm still learning, but I'm getting very good at it now, at least for me. My weight before I eat, 250 pounds on the nose. Okay guys, this is my 1 meal a day. So it took me from 250 to 53.8. And that is how Omad works.